Hello everyone. Today I am working on making some eyelet reinforcers. You see, like this. And I thought I would share with you. So I have this punch, right? It doesn't always work, so I bought myself a die. But I still like to go and torture myself every once in a while and see if this thing will work. See, this is what happens, right? It leaves bits and pieces of it, but for some reason I still hang on to this. I need to just toss it all together. And I'm gonna cut these out. So these are so easily done, right? I keep putting it off. I wait until I absolutely need it, and then I'm like, oh, you know what? I need to make some little enforcers. Here we go. Look at that. Then I'll just use my tool to pop them all out. See how much easier it is than me trying to use that little punch there. Created a cute stencil. I will save this and use it in another project. And then these, see, I just popped the little centers out, and look, I have some new cute enforcers. And I have a little dish here. I'm going to put them all in here. Have easy storage, and they're all in one spot, so I won't have to go digging more than what I needed. If you like, you can always do this on like sticky paper. That way, when you're ready, they're already sticky. Other than that, a bottle of glue will do the same thing. See there? Look. And I will go ahead and cut up the rest. I think I will make some plain ones too. I mean, why not, right? We're already in the process of creating reinforcers. We might as well. See there? Those. And get these out of here. have a good collection going. So you can take a gift tag like this and then take one of your enforcers here. Grab a little bit of glue. This always makes your gift tags look pretty, right? Let's stick that on here and one on the back side, just to make it look even prettier, like that. Nice. Let me decorate my paper. Let's see. I want, it's all print, but I want to break that up a little bit. Maybe that, or I could go this way. Oh, that's kind of nice right there. This would be cute. I need some ink. Something dark. I need drama on our tag, right? And the back side. Oh, nice. Let me see. Let's put some of this washi to use. Let's see. I have, well, you don't find too many florals in Tim Holtz Washi, right? Let's see. What is this? Oh, this is like a script. Oh, it's a musical note. We could do that one. There we go. And then I have some flowers here. Look, I can put a flower on here. And then like a dress form. I can angle it. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's see. Something like that, right? And then the dress form can go there. That's kind of pretty, right? Let's see. Oh wait, hold on. Let me shade the edging. Add some drama. Now I just need a cute string to complete my tag. Right here I have some ribbon. There we go. And let me trim this, make it look pretty. There we go, look. Isn't that cute? I like it. And my new hole enforcers. What are they called? Eyelet enforcers, hole enforcers. It all does the same thing, right? Cute. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.